Oh guys, there's a smell.
For all time's sake.
Hello guys, it's your girl Esther. Welcome to FFTL Inspired. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, it's so good to meet you. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm going to be doing a hair review by a brand called westkiss. So for westkiss, I had heard a lot of positive reviews about them, and a friend actually recommended this brand to me because I was looking to purchase a very nice hair, something really beautiful and authentic, and so she recommended this brand to me, and I checked online. I saw a lot of good reviews about that. I'm going to be helping you guys also that are looking to buy nice hair, so to give an honest review of this hair. So you guys should know that this hair review is not sponsored. You guys should just best believe that I'm going to make this as honest as possible. And for today, I'm going to be showing you what the hair looks like. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, see what it looks like, the content that came in the box, and hopefully I can do the process of installation if my hairstylist allows it. And if not, I'll just show you what the hair looks like after installation, still in this video. So don't you go anywhere. I'm going to show you that in this video as well. And I hope to also do an updated hair review about this hair probably sometime later, like a month later or two later. I'll let you guys know, so stay around for that. So right now, let me not bore you so much with many details about me looking for hair and all of that. I'm just going to show you what the box came in like. This is the box, and don't mind that it's a bit tattered right now. I opened it already, and so I didn't come, actually it came in a better, in a better package, but still the same box. And you see what I loved about the box when I received it, the first thing that struck me was this caption: love yourself. But this marketing tag for me is not it. Like, come on, starts from westkiss hair. No, love yourself, lady, but starts from yourself. You can't give what you don't have. You love other people when you love yourself, and honestly you deserve it, because this is the only life you've got. You got to love yourself. So love yourself, see the good in yourself, and others can see the good in the contents of this box. And so as you guys can see, like I told you, I already opened it. So the first thing, we have this hair care booklet, westkiss hair care booklet. And one of the things I think is that this lady is really pretty. Yeah, you guys should see. Like, this is a beautiful picture. She's so pretty. And so here it says things about the hair care maintenance, wig care, bundle care, hair care for textured hair, care tips, FQA, and troubleshoot. Okay, so let's see what troubleshoot section is about. Where's that? I can't find that. So I'll probably go back to this later and show you some of the things that are here. This is the hair, and it came in this, and this, I have this extra bag for storing the hair. And as usual, the usual content you find in a wig box, a wig cap, 2 pieces, and I have this elastic to hold down the hair during installation. So this really makes sense. I don't think I've ever had this, so I'm happy that I got it. It was packed this way. We have this light net holding things together. Okay, so about the hair is a 26 inches umber wig. The website didn't talk about the density, so I'm not sure what the density of the hair is, but it's a frontal lace wig. And we have this to hold things together. So you see what it looks like on the inside. Here we have these combs here. We have 3 combs, 2 on the sides, and we have the straps at the back for adjustments. And my first impression about the hair, actually, the hair is soft. Like I can easily run my hands through it, and there doesn't seem to be any form of shedding. I've not brushed it, so you know, brushing your hair and running your hands through it are not the same thing. Yeah, before I used to think that once you could run your hands through it, then the hair is fine. No, sometimes when you brush it is really when you know if the hair is good or not. So for now, I'm brushing my fingers through it, and it seems to be cool. Come on, are you trying to tangle? Okay, it's not. Don't pull that on me. So guys, I'm just going to Oh guys, there's a smell to this. There's a smell to this, you know, the factory smell you get for wigs. And I've had this on one of my other wigs before. That wig didn't last though, but I think this is not bad. So I'm not going to judge by the smell yet. I'm not going to judge by the smell yet, because all of that can be handled with some hair products. So let's not judge by that yet. Hopefully this hair is good. And as you can see, the frontal is pre-plucked. Ouch, ouch. The frontal is pre-plucked, I guess, because it looks very light. The frontal is pre-plucked, and I'm going to install it and have some baby hair. Yeah, baby hair, not so much though, probably like 1 or 2 here. I like the net actually, and I like that I can style it anyhow because of the way the frontal style from any angle I want to. I can style any way I want to, so this really makes a lot of sense. So I like that about this hair already. I think the hair cost around 300 and something dollars. I will link it down below. I'm not sure of the exact I think it was close to $370. Yeah, I think it was close to $370. So I'll link it down below so you can see closer, so you can see what the edges look like. Can you see? Ooh. Guys, this is the time I want to appeal to you. Please and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the time to hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell right next to it so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. This is 2 weeks after I installed my hair, and I'm just going to I want to brush it this morning, so I thought before brushing it, why not show you what it looks like, then go ahead to brush it. As you can see, my installs are almost coming off. The edges are not as flat as they used to be, so I'm trying to brush the hair, and I'll just give you, like I promised, I'll give a feedback on the hair 2 weeks after, and this is it. Honestly, I'm not impressed with this hair. Can you see what it looks like? I feel like the hair is mixed, like a part of it is synthetic, a part of it is human hair, and I don't like it at all. For me, I don't think I'm going to patronize westkiss anymore. I feel like for the influencers, probably give them better hair, but for normal people like me and you, just give us what they want. And one thing about the hair, it sheds a lot. Like when you want to brush the hair, just be ready to sweep. That's one thing that happens, and I'm going to show you. So you can see what my brush looks like right now. Because as I brushed before I showed you, you can see that we already have some hair on the brush, and as I go ahead, you will also see how the hair comes off. I don't like it at all. Like, this hair is too much maintenance for me. Like, you need to do so many things before the look becomes what you want. Do I have to be straightening this hair every time? Do I have to be curling it, using the curling iron on it every time? I expected more from this hair than what I got. Like, I could easily have gotten this type of hair on AliExpress. Yes, I could have gotten it on AliExpress. But because I wanted something better, something more, something real and authentic, I decided to go with westkiss based on the review to say, okay, so let's see what this will come to be. But for me, I'm not impressed at all. I'm not impressed. Some part of it feels like fiber, some part of it just feels like, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Guys, what do you think? Maybe it's just me, but I don't like the hair. I don't like it at all. Can you see the hair that we have just about now? So imagine me brushing this hair every day, and I have to deal with so much amount of shedding like this, at the end of 1 month, if I have to carry this hair for 1 month, what would I have left on my head? About 2 weeks now that I installed it. So I'm going to take the hair off to show you what it looks like. And so far, okay, maybe I'm just exaggerating about the shedding, maybe, I don't know, but come on, and see the whole of my body and the floor also. Some have dropped on the floor. And guys, I'm really sorry, I have cold, so I'm having to clean my nose. And why does it look like this? It looks too dry. And normally I don't believe in putting so much oil in hair to have it give you that look. So far I've only oiled it like once. Even my stylist told me not to apply oil so much. She recommended this bio oil for it, which I'm yet to get. But guys, look at the tip of the hair. Why does it feel spongy like this? Why does it look spongy? See, I hope you guys can see. See, what's this? What's this? What's this? You know, even the waves, like when I curl it and I brush it, it doesn't last. It doesn't hold so much curls. You get, it doesn't hold the curls for long at all. So sometimes when you take your time to do all the curls and all of that, by the time you go out, you're just wondering, what did I waste my time doing? Like, it doesn't hold curls so much. So like for me, I've stopped using the curling iron with it, because for me it feels like a waste of time. I take my time to do all the at the end of the day I go out and it's nothing to show for it. Like, what's this? But anyway, I have already accepted my fate on this. Another purchase would definitely not happen by God's grace from Westkiss. I will probably take my time also to look out for a better hair vendor. And if you guys know a better hair vendor that is reliable and gives good hair quality for the value, please recommend in the comment section below. I would really love to try them out. I really want to patronize good hair companies. Thank you so much. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my video, and I hope that this review has been helpful and as honest as possible. Like, you know, this video is not sponsored. This is my own honest review. Of course, with the kind of review I've given, you should know it's not sponsored. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope that it also helps you in making a good purchasing decision. For now, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. But don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.